Yeah. So first of all, good morning everyone. My name is Ritesh. I am final year BCA student. Currently, I am pursuing BCA from Maulana Mazharul Haq Arabic and Persian University of Patna. I have completed my full stack Java course from the JS Spider Vaswanagudi branch, which is in the Bangalore. My mission is to just build something that can be solve the real world problems like websites and the softwares that can be helped to solve the real world problems like this. After this, having this some skills in the I have the strong understanding of the core Java, and that can be the foundation for the Android application development and the web application development and web application development technologies I having like JDBC and the servlet and JSP, that is a JavaScript Java server pieces, okay, which we can say like advanced Java or J2E, okay, Java Enterprise Edition. After this, these are the frameworks which having the knowledge to create the just web applications like Hibernate with and without JPA, a Spring MVC, and a Spring Wave. Sorry, a Spring MVC or a Spring Wave. Okay, and then a Spring Boot. Having also understanding in the Android application developments. Like I have to work for this for my own project, like your parcel app. Okay, that that is that has to be built using the XML and the Java. And for the database, I have to use Firebase. Okay, yeah. So this is the thing. After this, I would be like to show you one project like a web app application. So here we can come and just we can just uh, yeah, next and then finish. So yeah, so this is the login page. We need to just log in. So I have already one account for this 123F5, and the password can be something like okay, so I have to enter and then log in. So this will be display you the expenses whatever have to be done. So this is the timing when have to expenses. So okay, so 9:55 I have to puri and sabzi, and this is the Horlicks at 10:50. So today I inserted this data. Okay, so edit, we can just edit the things like expense amount and title and all, okay, description and all. We can also delete from here, not from here. Okay, so we can delete using this button, and we can edit from here. We can see delete and deletion success, and yeah, so this is the thing. And we can edit from here. Yeah, after this, basically I would like to show you, this is the filter thing we have to implement. After this, I am just going to show you the simple code which is have to be implemented here. So, okay, so this is, I want to just show you the sign up and the login very quickly. So this is a sign up servlet page, which whenever we are going to calling this like from here, okay, create one account. So sign up is just calling to this sign up endpoint, and this is just going to uh, having the two parameter. Okay, first of all, this endpoint will be called, then this service method will be called, which having the two parameter, which having the request and the response. The request is that one having to hold all the parameters from the form. So the here we can see that we have the form, so this data will be come to the request. Okay, and with the help of response, we can just redirect it to the in another page. So first of all, we are just fetching all this data using these keys whatever we have to use in this form for this and for this. Okay, so after this, we have to fetch and then check the username and password should be not null. Okay, and then if username, we are going to check if null will be happen, this means this will be return the true. This is the method which have to create it in this class. Okay, so this is the method which is going to return true or false. If it will be true, means this is having the null. values for the username or the password. So this will be give one error like username and password, username or password maybe not filled. So this will be just tell you that please enter data in the given field. After this it will be check the if user is exist or not. The user uh, validate user that dot validate username. This will be check the username is already taken by someone or not. If will be taken by someone, if use username exists means this will be return the true or false. Here the JDBC logics are have to be written. Select all from where username is this like this. So the logic will be here, and this will be returned true or false. If the username will be already exist, this will be returned the true, and this will be true. If true will be happen, then error message will be this that error already exists the username, so you cannot take this one, already taken by someone. Okay, so we are going to just redirecting the error page with the message like a like a message is here, and we have to encode it. This is the just advanced things like not advanced, we can say just good practice for this. Okay, yeah, otherwise we can also write directly pass the error message. There is nothing problem at all. After this we have to use the else block. If the username is exist, then this error will be throw. Otherwise we will say something like that okay, we will create the object, we will create the user to you, and we will save your data into the database. So we have to created one id, we have to generated one id, and then we have to inserted the data into the database. If inserted successfully, then we will save this into the session to manage the username and the password. After this we have to send to the home page. Okay, so this is the thing. Otherwise we will say that already user exists if this insertion will be not happen. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, otherwise this will be not happen, I think, because we have to already check here. Okay, so by the way, let it go. And login is the same thing, but the little bit thing is going to changing, like we are getting the username and the password from this form. Like I'm just going to show you uh, where is that form. Yeah, so from here and here we are going to click on the login after entering the data. So this will become to the request parameter in this uh, where is that, yeah, request parameter. And then we are getting the username and the password. After this we are just going to validating is null or not. If null, not, if these are not null, then we are just going to uh, what we are going to, we will just redirect to the home page after checking that username is already exist or not. So we have to check that not null, not null. Okay, otherwise we will say that please enter the data username and the password. After that we have to validating, we are going to validating the username and the password, that username is already exist or not. If not, then we will say not loginable. Okay, so we have to just checked using this validate method which is inside this class, and then it will be return the true or false. If user exists, then we need to just redirect it to the home page. We have to redirect. Before that we have to set the credentials like login time. We have to set the credential, the login and username and the password. Otherwise we will just send the error message like username and the password is not matching if this data is not matching in our database. Okay, so this is the thing. Yeah, simple. So let's meet you again in